Cynthia, Chef Cynthia, some call me, Cynthia Nevels, and I own Soulgood, the vegan vegetarian food truck and catering company here in Dallas. Let's see, I'm actually vegetarian, transitioning to the vegan lifestyle slowly, but mostly plant-based because I can't necessarily say just vegan because I may have something in my closet that happens to be leather or something from back in the day, but I definitely am transitioning to removing eggs and cheese from my diet, and this year that is my personal goal. I started out as a vegetarian 11 years ago, and I never looked back. I do not crave meat. I don't want any of it. And I often talk about growing up in the South, especially here in Texas. That can be very challenging, especially when you're at family gatherings, say last Easter, and they have the spread out. It can be a challenge. But for me, I can walk into a place where there's a whole buffet of meat and not blink. It doesn't bother me at all, simply because I made up my mind and I was done, period. And basically I was done because I watched a few movies and read a few books, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm out of here, I'm done, I'm not eating that anymore. And I felt 100% better ever since, and I feel great. I have great deal more energy, even more so than my 25-year-old son, and I'm never going to go back. So I'm grateful for this journey, actually.